Welcome back to Tom's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Thai green curry chicken with the green curry paste we made in the last video. Hope you enjoy this video. Let's get on with the show. Okay, I have here 1 pound of chicken cut up into small cubes. To that we're going to first add 1 tablespoon soy sauce. And mix that up till they're all evenly coated. And about evenly coated there. Next we're going to take some 1 tablespoon of flour, all-purpose flour. I put it in a bag because it's a little bit easier to get it mixed up. Take the chicken, put it in a bag. Seal it. I get all the chicken sometimes you gotta actually get open the bag. There you go. That didn't quite work as planned, so that's fine. Wash our hands right quick. Since that wasn't enough, we'll just take a little bit more flour. I'd say maybe another tablespoon. Okay, that's good enough. Yeah, I have the skillet heating up to medium high. Once it gets hot, we're going to throw the chicken in it. I have 1 tablespoon of or 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. You can add a little bit of peanut oil to make it more Asian-y if you want. Once again, to test, make sure it's hot. Okay, throw the little tiny bit of water in. You don't want too much. Put the chicken in. Cooking it till it's brown. We don't want to fully cook it yet, because mostly getting it mostly cooked. As you can see, it's browning up nicely. Try and separate them. If you're not in a hurry, you can do the flour in one by one. As you can see, they are separating, so that's a good sign. It's going to take about 5 minutes. And now it's time, what we're going to do is take them off the heat. put them in a container to hold it. And we would reduce the heat down to medium. Set that off to the side. Then we're going to take our green curry paste, which we made the other day. As you can see right here. We'll take 2 tablespoons of it. You can do even or not heaping. It's all up to you, personal discretion. We're going to stir that in. We'll stir that around until it becomes fragrant. About 1 minute. Then we're going to stir in 2 green onions chopped, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 teaspoon ginger minced, cooked. Now you probably might want to add a little bit more oil, not much, so we're not burning anything. Well, maybe a cap will be enough. Cook it for about 2 minutes. Alright, now we're going to put our chicken back in. Stir that around. Now we're going to take 2 cups of coconut milk, put that in, and yes, it is natural for it to look like that. We're going to add to that 1 tablespoon fish sauce. Gotta open it. Make everything hard to open nowadays. Okay, so that's not working. So we're going to do cheater method. Hopefully we won't get too much. Okay, so it's not coming out like that. Okay. You know, 1 tablespoon fish sauce. And 1 tablespoon soy sauce. To that we'll put 2 tablespoons white sugar, stir that around. We allow it to simmer for about 20 minutes. Okay, coming along, about 5 more minutes. I got some rice cooking. You can serve this over rice or like noodles or even by itself. If you want to make it vegan, I'm assuming you made the curry paste vegan. You can use vegetables or potatoes, anything like that, or even tofu. Okay, it's ready to pull off. Pull and serve. I've made some rice to go with it. You can serve it with rice, or you can serve it with noodles by itself. If you're vegan, you could use vegetables or tofu. But let's get to serving it. And I'll see you at the table. Alright, let's go ahead and give it a try. I'll garnish it with a little chopped cilantro. Bon appetit. Very good. A little spicy, but nothing too spicy. But yeah, all in all, I'd say it was a success. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell so you'll be notified of the next upload. And thank you again for stopping by Tom's Kitchen. Have a good night.